share on Twitter, share on Google+, by Yolanda Redrup. A German genome sequencing blockchain startup led by some of the world's leading experts in the field, is in Australia hunting for local investors to be part of a $75 million $96 million initial coin offering to support the commercialization of its technology. Shivom has appointed ASX-listed ICO advisor DigitalX to help it manage the raise, and it's hoping to tap into cryptocurrency-friendly private equity investors, as well as high-net-worth individuals and institutions. An ICO is a form of fundraising in which companies exchange their own crypto tokens for Bitcoin or Ether, similar to an IPO in which investors pay money in exchange for shares. It is hoping the equivalent of $45 million will be raised in Shivom's pre-sale and an additional $30 million in a public token sale. The company is able to map a person's genome, unlocking information on diseases they are predisposed towards, and stores this information on its secure blockchain, accessible only to the individual. Co-founder and chief executive of Shivom, Dr. Axel Schumacher, has a PhD in genetics and 20 years of experience in the field. He told the Australian Financial Review most healthcare systems in the world were failing due to financial problems, and he believed Shivom could take pressure off the system by ensuring people had properly tailored medicine. Dr. Schumacher said the platform would let individuals own and control their own data, enabling them to either sell or donate their information to research institutes and pharmaceutical companies across the world. The company expects to start sequencing people's genomes in the third quarter of the 2018 calendar year and will be a rival to the Garvan Institute's spin-out Genome One, which currently charges about $6,400 for its service. Shivom claims to already be able to offer full genome sequencing for only $900, and believes the cost of this will come down to $100 within the next few years. Like Genome One, it will also provide genetic counseling for all of its customers, in addition to sequencing, proving its business unlike many ICOs which have come under criticism for being empty money-making schemes from sham companies. Shivom has already scored deals with technology partners and governments internationally. Last week it announced a partnership with ASX-listed molecular diagnostics company Genetic Technologies. The business specializes in a clinically validated risk assessment test for non-hereditary breast cancer, but collecting data to develop the tests to date had taken 7 years. Through the partnership, it is hoped customers of Shivom will opt to share their data with the Genetic Technologies via the secure blockchain. Shivom's chief innovation officer Henry Innes said he was aware of the bad reputation of ICOs, and that it would not be the only way it raised capital. However, because of its use of blockchain, he said it was a good fit. We've been discussing this almost everywhere along the journey. All of these ICOs are early-stage projects and there's a lot of potential for abuse, he said. We are tackling a real problem that is pervasive. We're working with a lot of stakeholders, from publicly traded labs to investors, to institutions to governments, so there's a lot of visibility on what we're doing. We have that transparency. Shivom has also partnered with decentralized data exchange Ocean Protocol to enable its data sharing services on the blockchain. It means third parties are able to give an organization access to their genomic data, but that third party cannot hold or share the data. Individuals have the choice to either learn everything about their genome and what they're predisposed to, including terminal illnesses, or be selective. Dr. Schumacher said he believed that the unlocking and sharing of genomic data would lead to drugs being made available tailored to an individual's genomes, and that there would be more cures and treatments discovered for rare diseases.